Hi, everyone. Thanks for joining my channel, Path and Perspective. And today I got to thinking about pricing and price comparisons. What was prices like back at the beginning of this year and what are they now? So I went back into our own stuff and looked at stuff at the beginning of the year compared to now. And this is what I came up with from Amazon, Sam's, and Walmart. Tillamook cheese up $1.70 from 10.98 to 12.68, over 15% increase. Chicken breast bites, 13.48, up $1.50 to 14.98. That's a little over 11%. Here's a big one, Cherry Coke Minis, 4.48 at the beginning of the year. Now 6.99. That's over 56% increase. How about this desk lamp at 16.98 at the beginning of the year? Now 17.99, a little over almost 6% increase. Here's one that just brings a little bit of relief. Great value half-gallon milk, just up a penny. This one's going to creep up just a little bit. Great value dill spears, 226 to 234, only a 3.5% increase. What about Yukon potatoes? 558 at the beginning of the year, now 734, 31.5% increase. Secret clinical strength, 2811 up to 2922, almost 4% increase. Going down with Arm& Hammer baking soda toothpaste, 13.98 down to 12.97, a decrease of 7.2. Well, that's all I got for now. I really appreciate you stopping by. It looks like things have gone up in our household. I can imagine they probably went up in yours too. Anyway, thanks. Like, subscribe, and until then, keep your perspective clear and your path open.